Parliamentary Affairs Minister Kiran Rijiju meeting Prime Minister Modi, briefing the Prime Minister on the assault gate by Rahul Gandhi. The Prime Minister of India is being briefed by the Parliamentary Affairs Minister on what the Leader of Opposition has been up to outside Parliament. I mean, what an irony, isn't it? The Leader of Opposition has been seen on camera confronting. He's been heard on camera not denying that there was a face-off, even an assault. And Prime Minister Modi is being briefed on assault gate right now. That's the latest breaking news coming in. Kiran Rijiju, the Parliamentary Affairs Minister, is in Parliament and speaking to the Prime Minister. I have Riyanka also joining us live. Riyanka is with me in Delhi. And let me get in a word from her as well as we get you the latest breaking updates. Riyanka, take us quickly in 30 seconds the updates in Parliament. Who's meeting whom? What's going on? What's next?
Well, we're getting to know that Union Parliamentary Affairs Minister Kiran Rijiju is meeting with Prime Minister Narendra Modi and also letting him know as to what exactly has happened in the Parliament premises with Rahul Gandhi now going. He pushed two BJP MPs who were grievously injured, and this is what has gained an extreme backlash. But it is very, very important to note at this point in time how Kiran Rijiju is letting know Prime Minister Narendra Modi about the crisis that has happened in the Parliament, given the fact that the leaders of the BJP are calling it a black day. They're calling it a black day, that never in the history such a thing has happened in the Parliament premise, that a leader of opposition has done such a thing, and that a BJP MP has been injured so grievously. We know that there are all the top leaders who are also visiting both the BJP MPs Pratap Sarangi as well as Mukesh Rajput in the RML hospital, given that their situation is being monitored constantly. We know that 5 stitches have also been received by Pratap Sarangi because of the head injury he got when this push and pull situation was happening. But very, very important, let me repeat again, that Kiran Rijiju is holding a crucial meet with Prime Minister Narendra Modi, letting him know exactly what happened. In fact, Kiran Rijiju had called in all the leaders who were present at that very minute when the situation occurred in order to understand what exactly happened. And now he's giving the entire report to Prime Minister Narendra Modi. We are expecting more showdown to take place over this very, very situation, very critical situation that has happened from the Parliament today. But yes, we are keeping very, very close eye on what exactly is happening. But when it comes to the Congress party, they are constantly putting the blame on the BJP, saying that it was the BJP leaders who had pushed in Mallikarjun Kharge and then he had to be seated on a chair. We just heard many other Congress leaders coming out and saying that it was the BJP leaders who had pushed in Rahul Gandhi and Mallikarjun Kharge and did not let him enter the Parliament. In fact, Rahul Gandhi, on the other hand, also accepting and acknowledging the fact that he did push, but saying that he did it because he was not allowed to enter the Parliament. But yes, what we are seeing right now is a very critical situation coming out from the Parliament.
Push me. No, he has not pushed you. He has not pushed you. He is such a good man. You are not even coming.